What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable gaming hub in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on advanced features. Now here in advanced features, scroll down and then you will see a gaming hub button. So if you want to disable gaming hub, then turn off this button, and if you want to enable the gaming hub, then tap on this button again to turn it back on. So after turning on gaming hub, it will organize all your games all in one place and access extra features that enhance your gameplay experience. So that's how you can enable or disable gaming hub in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.